What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the Raptor in the shop and we're going to be putting some fog lights on it. So stay tuned, let's get into it. Alright guys, so like I said, I ordered some fog lights to put in the bumper of my truck. So let's dive into this and see what exactly we have. So I ordered the Baja Designs fog light kit for the Gen 2 Raptor. So let's bust this box open and see what exactly it came with. So with this kit, you can specify a few different options with it, but I chose to get the driving lens, the spot lens, and they called the SAE amber lights, which are sort of like DOT rated, whatnot. But yeah, so this is what I've got. And it comes with the brackets and wiring and everything just to fit perfectly into this truck without any issues. So I'm going to get this all split up and see what exactly is in here. Alright guys, so inside this kit, of course, it has all the lights we need, and as well as the wiring pigtails, just to connect all these together, and our hardware that we're going to need to mount onto these brackets that fit perfectly up inside of this cutout area on this truck. So I'm going to try to get all of these put together onto this bracket, and I'll catch back up with you guys whenever I get that done. Alright guys, so I've got both of these mounted up, and Baja Designs pretty much leaves it up to you as to which orientation you want to put these two squadrons in. And what I chose to do is keep the driving lens, which is the sort of fog and spot, in the middle, so it sort of points a little more outwards, and leave my spots in the middle pointing forward. But you know, the S2 has to go on the end, obviously, because of the way that the bumper's angled up and like that. But as far as these two lights, it's completely up to you as to which orientation you want to leave them in. But yeah, so now that I got these two mounted up, it is time to stick them in the bumper. So I will get that done and I'll pick you guys back up once they're in. Alright, so as you guys see here, I have got the driver's side all mounted up and they look awesome. So now I'm going to cut off camera, get the passenger side all mounted up, and it'll be time to wire them in. Alright guys, so I did a lot of work off camera and I've got all the lights mounted up and wired up into the engine bay, where Ford adds auxiliary switches where you can tie into them, and the power's already ran and switched and fuse, so it makes things so much easier. So all you gotta do is add one of these little inline fuses onto the wire that coordinates the switch inside, and you're good to go. So without further ado, let's turn these lights on, show you how they look. All right, so jumping in here, I had ordered some little stickers to add on to these switches, and they've got the Baja Designs logo, and the yellow is obviously for my amber lights, and the white is for my white fog lights. So we'll get both of those kicked on and show you how they look. All right, so as you guys see, all the lights are on and they are very, very bright. I'm so stoked at how this turned out, and I would definitely recommend this to anybody with a Ford Raptor or anybody that just wants to add some pretty bright lights onto their rig. So check out Baja Designs. They make some really good kits, and I would definitely recommend that to anybody. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Hopefully in the next video, we'll get back on to working on the Jeep and carrying on that project. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys next time.